Hello everyone. Oh, it's not up yet. Hi. Alright. Let me know if you hear me. I might not showing a video captures today, but so that you can see the whole window, the browsers. Great. Do you hear the music, like the audio from the website? Is it clear? The sound is like an ambience of a space. Cool. Alright. So I guess you can see the text up on the top of the window. So today we're just going to be a quick showing you around what's the update for this week. Today I just connect and learn a lot about Twitter API. I done it before, but now this is right in JavaScript, and I'm not professional programmer kinda. I'm still learning through the work here, and yeah, so we'll go through a little, like, go show you around if anyone want to work with the Twitter API, and then we're just gonna have fun looking around with what's going on with the hashtag that I selected for that relate to the environmental issues, global warming, or climate change. And here, what you see on the video right now is the current design. I say, like, a design of the project that I'm working on. Here at the left, we got like ones, which mean like when I selected the tweet will come up on the browser like this. And when I click it again, it will grab another one. And on the right of the pop-up is kind of like, well, it's the analysis of emotions from the tweets. But now, as you can see, I still struggle with how to get 280 character from Twitter. Back in a few years ago, we have only 140 character of when you tweet, right? And then I think it's in 2017 that Twitter extends the characters. So now it's 280, and it's a lot of the framework or library that help you get that API is already make it easier for people to use it, but somehow I cannot figure it out this one yet. But it's gonna be it's not a bigger problem. I'm probably gonna figure it out tomorrow or the day after. When I click it again, then well, this is a random position, so I don't know. Somehow it's go up, down there. Okay. But yeah, today while I'm working on the Twitter, I also see this. A lot of people tweet that the U.S. has officially left the Paris climate change the agreement within the Trump administration today. Yeah, that's a lot of retweet about it. Okay, so now look at the user interface here and the pattern here. You can see like the triangle. This is what I've designed. So we got uniform and variety. And actually, eventually, these we can be able to click it, and then you can kind of select how the musical chord will be played. So let's see the variety here, okay? And then I click once to grab a tweet. and then uniform. Okay, so right now it's not clearly like distinct from different, but actually uniform is one kind of like the pattern of the chord, and the variety is another patterns. And on the right here is like a switch. I'm just designing like, you know, like you can pause it, you know, like here now you don't hear anything beside my voice, and then stop to clear everything out. Then you can start it again. Now you hear it again. So here the type thing, like you can type something. You know, blah blah blah, and then it eventually I'm thinking about posting it so you can retweet back to Twitter. Here, okay, so let's see. It's like what is the hashtag that I select a little bit, and then we'll jump to Twitter. So I'm gonna close this. Alright. Here is the hashtag. So when you use Twitter API, you can like like select what hashtag that you want to use. And what I am using now is hashtag global warming, climate change, and global warming. This is not a hashtag, but you can also use words. Also, not like, you know, like without the symbol here. And I also click that I want original text, but somehow it doesn't really work right now. Let me think about it, and, you know, like specify that I want only English, because lexicons that I made is in English only right now. So I just don't want it to get a lot of different language that, you know, gonna decrease the quality of the audio of the musical from analyzing the emotional. Um, yeah, let's see. Here I'm gonna jump to Twitter and then see what's going on. If I search for hashtag global warming. Sorry, somehow Twitter doesn't let me get in. Hold on. What? Okay. It just pop up. Alright, I'm back. And I'm gonna search global warming to show you. Ta-da! Alright, this is what happened right now. As you can see. Okay, I wonder if I, you know, like here I have a lot of query that I like a keyword that a term that I want them to search, right? So what if I change all of that, and then see what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna refresh this, and then so we can like see and Okay, it's still loading. Be patient with me. Come up soon. So here we got a lot of like tweets about global warming in English. Alright, got it. Okay. Let's see if I gonna got. Oh, sorry, forgot to click start. Ah, here. Evelyn's 24, and you know this person number account. I follow all humans. So pretty much it's the same here, and I guess this is the original from here. See, now we get this one, which means that the API work. Get the most recent tweet coming in. I wonder what this is. From here. Pretty interesting. Guess this is what people retweet a lot today, because I was seeing during the experiment on this Twitter API. Oh yeah, I should show you how to get to Twitter API a little bit, right? And then I think this is pretty much today. So anyone that interested in doing this, there's a lot of framework that can help you for what I use right now. It's just a kind of like the same API that I used like years ago. So I try to use the same framework. It's called codebird.js. It's not hard at all to use. Some people might be interested in using Node.js, and that's a way that you can like combine Node.js with JavaScript on browsers. I mean, Node.js also JavaScript, but it's used through the terminal, like the server. Sorry, I should pause this. Okay. And there's like you need like a bridge to merge the gap between the server and the JavaScript on the browsers. But that's another thing. Anyway, so here you can like, you know, you got into dev and you get it's a different page from Twitter. It's developer.twitter.com, and then you get a lot of like documentations. And all like the detail that they'll send it to you to get the API. Da-da-da. Here. that you can like, here is the API that they will send it. It's like a JSON file. So basically you can get all the detail, every tweet that they made. You can get the screen names and text here. And this is what's up in this project that I made. I don't use all of these, but just like text, for example, that we kind of like get in and take they were analyzed from the lexicons. Okay, let's see, maybe how long am I live right now? I guess I'm not that. Okay, cool. 15 minutes now, so just a little bit. Maybe we I can show you a different hashtag, and then that will be it for today, because there's not much like in the front end. It's just a lot in the back end. And one thing that are still missing that you are not hearing right now is the animal sound, which I promise will come back next week, or like the next update. You will hear how the animal will sound on this project, in this project. Alright, so here I'm just gonna like switch, and then let's see what they say about climate change. How about that? Ta-da! We got here on Twitter. We got a little. We got different, not exactly the same tweet. So that's pretty interesting. All right. So now I'm gonna click start. And then let's grab the first one. What is this one? Interesting. We can see there's still like the same similar issues about the U.S. getting out of the Paris Agreement. Here's another one. Wow. For the next update, I think we'll get more into like the variety of the sounds, and also the exciting part is the layers of the animal sounds and the synthesize that will be more like neat. I hope. Thank you so much for the live stream, and if any questions, feel free to reach me on Instagram. Thank you.